Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cool Tech. Today I am come with a new video of Playpoint. Today our video is how to earn the Playpoint with new task. Today I will discuss the task 8 for collecting the Playpoints. Here you can see the get points for trying new apps and games. Here the 3 new apps has come. Earn 10 points when you install this app, then plus 5 point, and then another plus 5 point. So I will install this. You know the trick. First tap on the install button, then cancel, then go to back, and you see plus 10 is credited to my Playpoint wallet. So by this process I will install another 2 apps. So tap on install and then cancel, back, then similar process. So by this process you will earn the Playpoint. So you can see here I have installed the 3 apps and get the points, and my point is 35. You can see here, and also history plus 10 plus 5 and plus 5 is credited to my point wallet. So by this process you can earn or collect the points, and you should use this points when it will get 100. You soon use this point as it will expire on 16/11/2021. So before this date you should use this or this will expire. I have used in before plus 100 point for buying $1 Google Play credit, and then I will again started to collect the Play points. So you see, by the downloading or installing these apps I have collected these points.